Morgan Stanley versus Ally Bank. Which is better? Welcome to this comparison of Morgan Stanley and Ally Bank. Links to their services are included in the description to help you explore further. In this video, we'll break down their features, target audiences, and overall strengths so you can decide which one aligns with your financial goals. Morgan Stanley is a powerhouse in investment banking and wealth management, catering primarily to high net worth individuals, institutional investors, and corporations. Its services include personalized financial planning, expert investment advice, and access to exclusive opportunities like private equity, hedge funds, and global market strategies. Morgan Stanley is ideal for those seeking to grow significant wealth, manage complex portfolios, or benefit from detailed strategic advisory services. Its robust platform supports global diversification, making it a top choice for individuals and institutions with intricate financial needs. Ally Bank, on the other hand, is a fully online, consumer-focused bank. It offers an array of products like high-yield savings accounts, competitive CDs, checking accounts, auto loans, and mortgage services. Ally Bank is celebrated for its low fees, user-friendly mobile app, and consistently competitive interest rates on savings products. It's designed for everyday banking needs and is a perfect choice for those who prioritize convenience, digital tools, and maximizing their savings. Ally doesn't provide personalized wealth management or investment banking services, but excels in making banking simple, transparent, and accessible. The choice comes down to your financial priorities. If you're looking for high-level financial planning, global investment opportunities, or tailored wealth management, Morgan Stanley is the better option. However, if your focus is on straightforward, no-frills banking with great savings rates and digital convenience, Ally Bank stands out. It's particularly suited for individuals looking for an easy, low-cost way to manage personal finances. Check the links in the description for more details. Whether you're pursuing sophisticated financial growth or everyday banking efficiency, this comparison should help you make a well-informed decision.